Hello everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos, and let's get started. I'm going to share with you very tasty, delicious, healthy and nutritious vegetable soup. It's a vegetarian soup. Without wasting any time, let's get started. Today I'm going to share with you super delicious, super nutritious and very healthy vegetable soup. The vegetable soup I'm going to make with oats. The oats I'm using, these are 100% whole grain oats, and these are old fashioned style. Will be 2 cup. Mixed vegetable 2 cup. Spinach, palak 2 cup. Cut into small pieces. Olive oil for tadka. Water we're going to use 4 cup. Salt 1 teaspoon. It's always to taste. Crushed red pepper, black pepper, cumin powder, half teaspoon each. 1 small onion, 1 green chili, garlic, ginger, 2 teaspoon each, and 1 teaspoon parsley flake. And my secret ingredient, potato. This is the boiled potato. When to use it and why I'm using it, that tip I'm going to share with you. These spices are strictly optional. I have a spice rack. I'm going to use some of these spices. I took it out: oregano, thyme, rosemary, Italian seasoning. So oregano, thyme, rosemary, Italian seasoning, that will be half teaspoon each. And let's start making our delicious vegetable oats soup. Start burner. Get a big pot. Add 1 tablespoon olive oil. As the oil starts to heat up, add garlic, add ginger, mix it. Cook until the raw garlicky flavor is gone. So cooking for 20 seconds, and now add onion. Mix it well and cook until the onions are nicely translucent. Onions are nicely translucent. Add oats. Mix it well. So keep it moving and keep cooking. Cooking oats with the tadka on medium gas for 5 minutes. As you see, they are start to turn brown. This is all we need. Now we're going to add mixed vegetable. And this mixed vegetable is frozen. Mix it well. Once nicely combined, add green chili. Mix it well. On medium gas. Keep it moving and keep cooking. We're going to cook the vegetable with oats for 2 minutes. Cooking mixed vegetable along with tadka and oats for 2 minutes. Now add spices: salt, cumin powder, red crushed pepper, black pepper. Mix it well. Once all the spices are nicely combined, add spinach. Mix it well. And we're still cooking on medium gas. So once the spinach is nicely combined, add water. Now bring the gas to high. Mix it well. After adding 4 cup water, I'll add 2 more cup water. So altogether we added 6 cup. Cover with the lid and bring the water to boil. As the water started to boil, I'll open the lid. Mix it. Now bring your gas to medium. Look at right now, the soup itself is all ready. And this is how it looks. As for the soup, it's a running soup. This is good. But these are the secret ingredients I'm going to share with you, so you always can add that. Now I'm going to add the seasoning. Mix it well. Once it's nicely combined, I'll add my secret ingredient. 1 teaspoon brown sugar. Mix it well. Now I'll bring the potato and I'm going to use my grater and we're going to grate it. And this is the tip I wanted to share with you. When you are making a soup, anytime you are making non-veg or vegetarian soup, add potato in there. That's going to thicken the gravy and the soup going to taste well. So I'm going to keep continuing grating it. People going to ask me that can we use the raw potato? Sure, you can use the raw potato and you can grate it, but then you need to cook more. The way I do it with the potato, I put it in the microwave for 5 minutes. It's nicely done. So this is how we do it. Now we're going to mix it well. After adding the potato and my secret ingredient, which is brown sugar, the soup itself is looking really nice. I added 6 cup water, and when you're making soup you always can make it thinner or thicker, whatever you like. And now we're going to add parsley flake. So give a stir again. Once parsley flake is nicely combined, bring your gas to simmer, cover with the lid and let it simmer for 5 minutes. Cooking on a simmer for 5 minutes, I'm going to open the lid. It's vegetable oat soup is all ready. Look at this, very nice soup. And if you see, now it's thick. Turn off the gas and I'm going to dish out. I have my serving bowl ready. And now look at this. Very delicious soup. It's very tasty, very healthy and very nutritious. Let me share with you. Very healthy and nutritious. I hope you're going to like this dish. If you like it, like always, like, share and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.